Is up, guys? So we have here snack stack. I found one in here in our local store, and yes, I was interested, so I bought one of this and two 500 selection scratch cards. So another day, another scratch card video, guys. I'm gonna start with the 500 selection because I've been getting quite good wins recently with this card. So can we get a win? Oh, first we need to get a shell to get a win, or a open can to get a win all for this. So can we get it? So we have choco strawberry, caramel, gift bag, cocoa bean, present, flowers, honeycomb, card, cocoa bean, vanilla, mint, ribbon, honeycomb, hamper, and an envelope. Oh, this is brutal. No win on the first card. Can we get it on the second card? One card can make the difference, guys. We have a ribbon. And we move it a bit closer. Ribbon. We have a card. We have vanilla, choco strawberry, cocoa bean, gift bag, hamper, caramel, flowers, card, honeycomb, cocoa bean, ribbon, last, mint. God damn, no win. Oh dear, so this is the last card. Can we get a win, please? So we have 12 and 7, so it's 7 and a 12. Next is 4, 1 and 34. 1 and 34. 9 and 5. 5. Oh, what's this? 20 pounds. Okay. And the 9. Oh, what's this? 5,000. Can we get that? 20, 36 and 25. So it's a 36 and 25. Oh, here. Okay. 14 and 15. 14 and 15. Okay. 4 and 30. 4 and 30. 22 and 23. Oh, it's very spread out, guys. Oh, can we get the million? 8 and 17. So it's 8 and 17. 11 and 19. 11. Ooh, can we get the 10? 19. Oh dear. 13. Can we get at least 50 pounds, please? Number 2. Carrot, no. So we need 16 was not there. Nope. 6 was not there. 10 is not there. 3 is not there. And this is a judge session, guys. So out of 3 cards, no win. That was brutal. Anyway, if I miss anything, please comment it down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Let's rock.